Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Deogracious Dube. If it's your first time tuning in, I hope you'll decide to stay by of course clicking the subscribe button, and if you are returning, thank you so much for choosing to watch my videos. I really do appreciate it, guys. So today's video is a hair tutorial. As you can see, my hair is looking a little different. I really love this hairstyle. So I posted this on my Instagram yesterday and I got a really good response, and some people asked me for a tutorial, so I decided to deliver. So I have a very short, very easy tutorial on how I get this high bun. And to be honest, I think it doesn't matter what your hair length is, unless it's like teeny weeny, but almost anybody can do this hairstyle. Of course, you'll modify it slightly if your hair is a bit shorter. You may or may not need gel. I prefer to use gel, it just makes life a little bit easier. Also, I prefer to do this hairstyle on stretched hair. Makes my life so much easier than trying to do it on shrunken hair. And yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys my tutorial. It's very short and sweet. I hope you will enjoy it. And of course, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you do enjoy it, and subscribe, guys. Please subscribe. We're almost at 2K. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Oh, I almost forgot. We have a giveaway to announce. I was running a giveaway, so I had a Back to Basics hair care series, episode 1 to 4. If you haven't seen it, please do check it out, especially if you're just starting out in your natural hair journey. I think you're gonna find it really helpful. And then at the end of that, I did say that I am going to give away 2 satin pillowcases to someone who has been interacting with me, and I have picked that someone. So the winner is, drumroll, the winner is Mpho Sivanyoni. Congratulations, sweetheart. Please do send me a DM on my Instagram, or send me a DM on Twitter, or send me an email. My details are in the description box. Please do contact me. I want to give it to you. If you don't contact me, I will have to give it to someone else. I'm also going to add a few natural hair goodies in there for you, some products which are brand new, which have not been opened. So please do send me a message. And thank you so much, guys, for all your support, for all your interaction. I really do appreciate it, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Hi, it's me again. So I'm starting off with stretched hair. I just twisted my hair the night before and then I tied it up just using simple hair ties, and now I'm just gonna unravel that very quickly. And as you guys can see, my hair is nice and stretched out. It just makes this hairstyle go so much simpler if your hair is already stretched. And there we go, all unplaited. And now I'm just going to section it out because I want to moisturize very quickly before I start my hairstyle. So I'm just doing 3 sections just to make moisturizing a little bit easier. Starting with the Black Pearl Everyday Hairspray. Actually no, that's not what it's called. But basically it's the Black Pearl hairspray from Afro Botanics, and I'm just massaging that into my hair, and then I'm going into the coconut and sweet almond oil. This is supposed to be really great for preventing frizz, and that one is from Aunt Jackie's. And now the last section, just moisturizing, adding some oil, and then making sure that I moisturize thoroughly. And then when I'm done, I'm just going to take everything out, and then we're going to begin. I always start by spraying water on my hairline if I'm doing any updo. I don't want to cause any friction over there, so water really helps reduce any friction. And this is the gel that we're using today. It's my favorite one, the one from Eco Styler, and it is the green one, but I think you can use any of the gels from Eco Styler. And I'm just applying that around the perimeter of my hair, all over my hairline. And then I'm going in with a brush. This is a hard bristle brush, but it's not extremely hard. It's still gentle enough to use just to comb your hair. And I'm just using that to brush my hair in an upward motion. And as you can see, I'm starting to like pull my hair up. I'm trying to just smooth it out as much as possible. Make sure that there aren't any bumps along the way. Adding a bit more water, going a little bit further up. The gel also activates once your hair is wet. And then I'm just going to brush it again in an upward direction because we are tying our hair up. And then don't forget the back as well. And now I'm just using an old pantyhose. And I'm just going to use that to tie up my hair. So this is an old pantyhose that I cut up weeks ago, and this is what I use every time when I tie up my hair. So you're just going to wrap it around, and then you're going to slowly start pulling it tighter and tighter. Just be careful not to be too rough over here. So I push up the pantyhose, and then I just keep tightening as I go further up. And then I also pull at the hair. This is just to smooth out any bumps along the way. And then tighter. And then this is a good time for you to position where your bun where you want it to be. I want mine to be quite high up. So I'm just gonna pull at the back of the hair, make sure it's nice and smooth. And then I'm positioning my pantyhose. I'm not tying it because I'm actually not going to use the pantyhose. I'm going to use a hair tie. This is just to help me get my hair up. Now that my hair is all up, I gather it all with my hands. And I'm going to use the hair tie to tie it all up. This is why I say that it's much better to do this hairstyle with stretched hair. It's a lot easier, although you can do it with shrunken hair. It's just a little bit more work. And then now I'm just tying it up. Make sure it's not too tight. You don't want to give yourself a headache, and also be a little bit gentle. Be kind to your edges. And now I am just pulling at my hair, trying to get it as smooth as possible. So now I'm taking another hair tie, and I'm just going to tie it somewhere in the middle, and then I'm going to slowly go up, and then just make sure that I bun my hair at the top. And now we're going in with that very same gel, and that's just for my edges and the front because I love to lay my edges. And then this, of course, is completely up to you. You style them how you like them. And of course, again, do not forget the back. And then I'm just using a satin duke, and I am using that to just tie up my hair. This is going to help me just lay my edges and smooth out my hair a little bit further. And then you can wait a few minutes. And I just decided to do my makeup while I let that dry, and so I am back. As you can see, it is nice and smooth. Just over there, I noticed that my gel kind of wrinkled up a little bit, so to fix that I just put a little bit more gel in that section, and then I just smooth it out again with a brush. So now for the top part of our bun, we're just taking old hairpiece. This is a Marley extension or an Afro kinky extension, and then you just wrap it around the hair, and it's so simple. So just pull tight and then wrap it around, and then you just tuck it in and it will not budge. If you like, you can put a safety pin or a bobby pin just for extra security, but I don't bother with that. It does not come out. And now I'm just going to add a pin right at the top just to try and flatten that a little bit more because I've got a bit of a bump there. So you can use them where you feel you need them, and I'm just going to put one more at the back as well just to smoothen that out a little bit more. And then of course brushing it out, making sure everything is nice and smooth. And then to finish up, I'm just going to add a little bit more oil for shine. and I just smooth that oil all over my hair, darling, because I want it to be glistening. And that is it. That is our hairstyle. Thank you for watching.